Hi there and welcome to this video. As you may know, a simple screen recorder can only record one audio input source at a time. We can select my HDMI, which is my output to my monitor, or the monitor headset of the USB headset I'm using, or the microphone of the headset that I'm using. I can only pick one of those three. So that's always been a handicap. Most people work around it by using Audacity down here. But I recently found another solution to the problem, and that's this program called Kazam. It's currently running. You can tell it's running. It's got a red dot down here on this little camera icon, and it's recording this video as I speak. So I'm going to bring it back up. It also, when you click capture, it drops down and hides itself. So that's nice. It takes itself out of the way. And when you stop it, it brings itself back up again. So that's a nice little feature all in itself. But what I want to point out here is that it can record sound from the speakers and sound from the microphone at the same time. We have some options up here under preferences. We can select the speaker source, which I'm not going to mess with because it might kill it. No, let's go ahead and kill it. What the heck? Notice my monitor audio. I could select that, or I can select the monitor audio for my headphones. So I'm going to make this choice. And good, it's still running. And I only have one microphone. That's my USB headset microphone. So those are the two sources it's going to use. If we click on screencast here, you will see that we can change the frame rate. I adjusted mine to 30. It's a nice compromise for YouTube. Right here we only have these few limited choices, but who cares? Most people just use MP4 anyway. So MP4 is what I select. Automatic file saving, if you enable that, it sends it to this folder and you can select the folder. Okay, you can control that and you can put a prefix on it. Like for a project, you put the project name on the prefix, and every time you save a video, it adds a number behind the prefix, an incremental number. As you may have noticed, my voice does cut out. I have a cold going on today, so you have to bear with me. So those are the preferences of Kazam. Now, I found that using it does have a couple of items that you have to address. At least on my system, I had to address them. If I come up here and do my volume control app, you notice my input device, I have it set to 153%, as high as it'll go. And my output device, I have it turned down to 30%, 31% in this case. It takes that ratio to make this thing work on my system. Your mileage may vary. Notice I've also disabled the other sources. You can click here to disable, enable. And the same way up here, I've disabled the other sources. If you bring up the system sound audio, notice right now speakers are for my microphone headset are selected, and the volume set for 31%, just like I said. So everybody's happy during this recording. Recording's still going on. And the point I want to make is that once you're finished with the recording, the volume's going to be low. So when you start up Shotcut, the point I want to make is that once you bring this file down here, the timeline, you have to go ahead and add a filter. And you have to add gain. And on my system, you have to add approximately 15 dB. And when you do that, then this video will edit properly. So that's all I have to say about that. So in conclusion, Kazam does in fact replace simple screen recorder for what I want to do, and it may work for you too.